You are going to love the 2019 Kona. The Hyundai Kona provides a wide variety of functionality in a small SUV body. The energetic design is perfect for those looking to marry their adventurous side with their urban lifestyle and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, compass, electronic stability control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.